Hello and welcome to the channel. If you're new here, I use office shapes to create art in Word. Today we're going to make some gems. I'm going to go into Insert, Shapes. I'll take one of these shapes and I'm just going to move this out using that yellow dot control. Shape fill, make it red. Go into Format Shape, middle icon, and then 3D Format. And the top, I'm going to choose this one. I'm going to give it some height and width. I'm going to give it a bottom bevel as well. Choose that one. I'm going to rotate it. I'm going to take the outline out. Shape outline, no outline. Okay, I think I'm going to change the bottom bevel to this one. Give it some height. Just looking at this, I'll take this one because it tapers. Okay, so that's the angle one. Same one there. So let's just extend this. Width. Now we can add some angle to it. Lighting wise. Let's put this down more. Material. Let's remember what we have. Warm mute here. And change it. That adds a little more offering to it. The plastic one. That one. Lighting. First one. Neutral. 3-point. That one's the best, I think. Which is the balance. With shape fill gradient. Give it some gradient. See this one. Just say copy, paste, and you can also, I believe you can change the shapes. I don't know. Edit shape, change shape. You can change the shape to this one and then go in here. I think you have to change the options. That. And then try that again. I think that's with less edges. I'm not sure. I've never used that one before. Change shape. Maybe go this shape. Yeah. So you can change those. And then bring down the height. Width. Bring down the width. Increase the width. I'll make it more rounder. A little bit too much. And then with the fill, shape fill, give it a blue. shape fill gradient. Can't see it. Let's see that. That works. Shape fill gradient. Let's move it out of the way here. A lighter blue. Shape fill gradient. Can always move this angle like that. Okay. What else do we want to do? Material. I think that's the best one. Let's make this blue, more blue. No. We need the angle change. Doesn't do it. Try a different material. That material. Take that. I'm going to copy this one. Paste. Make this one orange, shape fill orange. Yellowish, I guess. Take this yellow. And then I'm going to go shape, edit shape, change shape. Make it that. Bring this out more. Even less. Facets. Lighting. Let's see, this is like this. Maybe a little bit like that. Okay. Contour, maybe some contour. Half a point. So now I give them all shadow. And I'm going to go into the middle one here and go into the icon and go into shadow. Make it more transparent. Doesn't stick out that much. Size, bring it down more. Like that. Shape. Shape fill. Green. I'm going to go into here. Top bevel, this one. Bottom bevel. Same one. Shape fill, gradient. Make this one transparent. This one center back. This one center back. Center back. Make this one transparent. I'm gonna have to choose this color. Make it transparent there like that. Thanks for watching.